Welcome! Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how you can change pointer speed. Oh, okay, of course we are talking about this pointer. So we have to go for the settings. Next we have to go for the all settings. Right now we have to go for the general and then go for additional settings. Here we have the pointer options, so click on it. And there we got the tracking speed, so we can change for slow, normal, it's a little bit faster, and for the fast. So, as you can see, it's very simple, and right now we can simply just go back. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.